Oh, posted a link. I ponder with eyes of wonder for a book written for blah 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 for asterisks has become. Oh, forgot. I ponder with eyes of wonder for a book written for God has become a sword and shield, so I may be free and fight back against an unseen enemy. I ponder with eyes of wonder. I ponder with eyes of wonder at the book written for God has become a sword and shield, so I may be free to fight back against an unseen enemy. Ah, I see. It works better when you read it rhythmically. I am not a rapper. I'm not going to pretend like I'm a rapper. I'm not going to insult rap by what I do. I'm not going to try to rap. But I like your lyrics. Keep on going. Keep on doing what you're doing. All right, let's see what we got. Let's take away the blue lines and see. Okay. Okay, let's see what we can do here with that. It's so easy to get lazy with any art form, any drawing, music, just phone it in, writing, acting. That's the reason that I don't draw with pencils as much anymore on stream, because it's a harder thing for me to do to concentrate on both streaming and pencils. When you're doing inking, the drawing has already been done. The thinking part has already been done, supposedly. The hard thinking part has already been done. His teeth will work. I did not give any detail to his teeth, so I need to figure that out. Oh, I know. Now I remember what I was thinking. like that. Out, out, like that. And then the other way. And then we have to shade this. This goes directly with the baptism by fire. It has no darkness in it. Did you know fire doesn't have a shadow? Fire does not have a shadow. Baptism by fire, it has no darkness in it. So you're talking about the tongues of fire on Pentecost? Need clarification. Fire does not cast a shadow. Baptism by fire at Pentecost. Who's there? First time chatter. Real mestizo. Real mestizo. Shalom to you. Shalom, shalom. So if you haven't, this is your first time here, my name is Artsy Bible Nerd. I am creating a comic about Joseph, and this is what the page looks like without ink before I destroyed it. So this is Jesus walking down the road to Emmaus with his two disciples, and he's explaining how the Old Testament pointed to the New Testament, how it pointed to the suffering of Christ. Sorry, you cut off his head there. I have a YouTube trailer video. Let's see if it works. Want to see it? Here it goes.
Joseph, favored son of Israel.
The road to Emmaus. On the third day after Jesus' crucifixion, 2 of his disciples were going to the village of Emmaus. While they walked and questioned each other, Jesus himself came near and walked with them, but their eyes were kept from recognizing him.
What are we going to do now?
I thought he was the one. Why are you walking and talking so sadly?
Don't you know the things that have happened recently in Jerusalem?
What things? The things concerning the prophet, Jesus the Nazarene. The priests and our rulers crucified him.
But we were hoping that he would redeem Israel.
And now it is the 3rd day since these things happened.
Also, some of the women from our group said that he was alive.
Foolish people. Didn't the prophets write that the Son of Man had to suffer these things in order to enter into his glory? Beginning from the law and the prophets, he explained to them in all the scriptures the things concerning himself. This is just one of the stories Jesus could have told. Consider the story of Joseph!